Okay, so in this problem we are trying to find the derivative of the function 3x squared minus 5x plus 5 using this formula. Okay, so I'm going to just plug the value of this function here, and I'm going to find out the limit, and by using that limit we can find out the derivative. So in this formula, if you look at here, you see that you need f of z. So you just replace x by z here. So that will be 3z squared minus 5 times z plus 5. And you need f of x, which is already given here. So let's find out f prime of z, which can be found by using this formula. Limit when g approaches to x, plug the value of f of z, which is 3z squared minus 5 times z plus 5 minus, because there is a minus sign, you always use the parentheses and put the value of f of x, which is 3x squared minus 5x plus 5, and on the bottom part there is a z minus x. Look at here, when g approaches to x, this denominator part will be 0, and we don't want 0 on the denominator. So first of all, we have to simplify this expression, and then after that we can find the limit. So let's try to simplify on the top. And always when you simplify, you try to find out the factor z minus x on the top. In that way, you can cancel this z minus x, which is the problem for now. Okay, so let's try to simplify on the top. 3z squared minus 5 times z plus 5 minus, if you distribute this negative sign here, it will be 3x squared plus 5x minus 5. Because of this negative sign, the sign inside this parenthesis will change, and there is a z minus x already. So on the top, if you see, you can combine the like terms and you can cancel if there is any cancellation. For example, you can cancel positive 5 and negative 5 here. Okay, and this is 3z squared, this is 3x squared. So what we can do is, let's go further. Limit z approaches to x, we can just use these two terms like 3z squared minus 3x squared, and these two terms, which is negative 5z positive 5x, and we try to factor z minus x if it's possible. That's the whole idea. Now you can see that from these two, you can, if you factor out 3, then it gives you z squared minus x squared, and from these two, if you factor out negative 5, it gives you g minus x, and on the denominator it's already g minus x. So let's try to go further, and here you can see there is a formula, the difference of the square formula, which gives you g minus x and g plus x as a factors of this expression, minus 5 minus g minus x. Now from here you can see on the top, as you can see here on the top, uh, you can see here g minus x is here, g minus x is here, so you can factor out that g minus x on the top. Okay, if you do that, and the whole idea is to factor out g minus x from the top so that you can cancel g minus x on the bottom. So if you factor out g minus x, you can write down the leftover thing here in the parentheses. So from the first part, the leftover would be 3 times g plus x. Let's use the bracket because the parenthesis is already being used here. Minus from the second expression, after you factor out g minus x, the leftover would be 5. On the bottom part, there is a g minus x. So now you can see that g minus x on the top and g minus x on the bottom, so you can cancel out. So now you can find out the limit of this expression when g approaches to x. Finding the limit means just plug g equal to x here. And that was not possible before because of this g minus x on the bottom part. But now it's a 3 times g plus x minus 5. Just put g equal to x. When g approaches to x, it's just x plus x minus 5. So now you can see you just have to simplify here. If you simplify here, you can see on the this x plus x is 2x, so 3 times 2x minus 5, so it's a 6x minus 5. So this is the derivative of the function you have given. Okay, this is the derivative of this function by using this formula. It's just finding the limit. Okay, I hope it helps.